Howdy folks, Tex Grebner here with Tex Grebner Outdoors. This is my 375 H&H Magnum Mauser. Now, if you don't know what a 375 H&H is, it's a big bore cartridge. If you gotta ask what it's for, it probably isn't for you. The 375 H&H was developed at the early part of the 20th century as a dangerous game rifle caliber for Africa and India. It's what you would call an elephant gun. But with that being said, it is in fact a dangerous game caliber. It is also an unintimidating anti-material rifle.
Have you ever seen anybody shoot a flying clay bird with an elephant gun? You have now. Don't believe me? Share, comment, and subscribe.
The 375 H&H Magnum predates World War I and predates the 50 Browning machine gun cartridge and was used in World War I as an anti-material, anti-tank type rifle. However, today I'm going to be blasting some clay pigeons here. And it's a real potato digger too while I'm at it. Now just to give you a real close-up of this bullet, that's how big it is. Now, the 375 cartridge doesn't kick a whole bunch, but it does have substantial recoil. A lot of people have asked, do I still own guns or did they take them away? First of all, secondly, roll credits.
As always, God bless all my sportsmen of America. Join the NRA to protect our rights. Please check out my friends over at legallyconcealed.org. Thank you very much to those of you involved in law enforcement and those of you serving in the military. And thanks for watching Tex Grebner Outdoors.